Repolling for Inner Manipur 17th Lok Sabha elections at 12 polling station concludes peacefully by and large. Residents of Kiamgai Mamanglaika allegedly assault CPI inner poll agent, his driver and damage windshield of their car. MPCC condemns lack of proper action despite filing a complaint to OC of City Police regarding Impact News Manung Hudna scuffle on the same day. And CJM Imphal East Code orders 11-day police remand to prime suspects in murder of Kunjamayum Arun from Bhamon Kampu, Makhalaikai. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you the top stories and latest news. Repolling for Inner Manipur Lok Sabha elections, which begin at 7 a.m. at 12 polling stations of Haingang, Thongju, Kairao and Andhra Assembly constituencies, concluded at 4 p.m. peacefully by and large. Repolling went peacefully in all the 4 polling stations of Kairao constituency. Strict security vigil, CCTVs, monitoring and live webcasting as directed by the Election Commission ensured smooth poll conduct at polling station number 6/6 Kiamgai Mamanglaika, 6/10 Kiamgai Muslim South A, 6/20 Urup Muslim and 6/35 Thiam Kunjil B in Kairao Assembly constituency. General Observer Rajiv Sharma and Police Observer Santosh Ghor inspected these polling stations to ensure smooth poll conduct. 86.35 poll percentage was recorded at 6/10 Kiamgai Muslim South A, 88.47 poll percentage at 6/6 Kiamgai Mamanglaika and 85.01 poll percentage at 6/20 Urup Muslim polling station. It may be recalled that intense scuffles occurred between voters and CRPF personnel at polling station 6/10 Kiamgai Muslim Madrasa High School South A in Kairao constituency over charge of proxy voting in the recent polling of 17th Lok Sabha Inner Manipur parliamentary election held on April 18th. 6 individuals, including a presiding officer, sustained minor injuries in the incident.
6/10 Kairao Muslim South A sida the state force adagi central force pam sing namna pajana patrol tobibidagi am ing tamna kasu akai to litna control tojari
ngasi election repoll tokiba 6/20 Urup Muslim da ai isamak presiding officer oina tajabani adu ngasi am peaceful oina public me amna cooperation si am phajana pv aduga irang su kemta thoktana yam peaceful oina pangthoi percentage su dum 85.01 chatlaga public na cooperation yam phajana toraga peaceful oina pangthokre.
Inner Manipur parliamentary constituency gi adum laba repoll gi mekhal asi hariba Urup Muslim da lairiba 6/20 hariba polling station asidasu pung tare taba matamdagi chapsan bothadana ba hauki mafam sigi voter singna yamna ningthi jana bothada ba thonglaraki security personnel haibadi central force of state force ki masing ramlaba personnel singna ningthi na ngak senduna pung mari phawgi manungda yamna pamdaba thawdok ama phawba thondana mekhal asi losenkhre poll percentage asi 85.01 chakhi aduga hariba mirep tara mathoigi marebak asi lakadoriba megi kulumdoida hangdoktura mikhal asigi bot basing thira maptungda khangba ngablakani hariba matam phawdudi miyamna karamba mirepna hariba mikhal asigi mai paklaga parliament da manipur gi mehot sinduna sakadaga habu ngaimina batari cameraman irom bosagaloina pogdom jariba rc mangangcha Impact News Urup Muslim.
Repoll at polling station number 5/32 National Children's School in Kongman Zone 5 of Thongju Assembly constituency concluded peacefully with 87.43 poll percentage. Out of the total 597 voters enlisted at the polling station, as many as 522 voters exercised their franchise today. Personnel of central and state security forces kept a strict vigil and CCTV monitoring was carried out at the polling station to prevent any unwanted incident. Total 7 poll agents of BJP, Congress, CPI, NEITP and 3 independent candidates were on duty at the said polling station. CPI candidate Dr. M. Nara, Congress candidate O. Nabakishore and independent candidate R.K. Somarendro alias Kaiku visited the polling station. O. Nabakishore and R.K. Kaiku expressed that re-polling went smoothly at the polling station. Congress candidate O. Nabakishore expressed disappointment that re-polling was announced for only 12 polling stations.
कोई चलो मफम सिंह सम पीसफुल होय नॉर्मल होना वोटिंग सम तो होई हंदे के इलेक्टर सिंह के माय के डिटेल्स मयाम इबसे फॉर्म 17A से हाना नंग सेगी खुबी सोई यामना चबक तौबा अमदो नंग से प्रॉक्सी वोटिंग तो ये ऑब्वियस होबा हंदे के फॉर्म 17A से कोई चेक तौ मतम सिदा खुबी सोई के मसिंग याम वाटपा सही आइडेंटिफिकेशन की कार्ड सिंह की माय डिटेल्स फजना अदुम लोइना सम तौई याम चेक्सिना तौई हाय तारे तो एखो तौबसे थंगै सिंग दि पेंदे एखोई दि पुरा होइना मरु होइना हेंगांग थोंजू अंद्रो से रिपोल लोइन तौबियोने इलेक्शन कमीशन द कोई थाजबने हरिबा कोइना थागिबा चेदोगी डिसीजन से कमीशन करी लौरकदोमनो हाइजोंग दि यंगजेगिगे मसे अमो हना हाइरा कोइना हाइरे मफम सिंग रिपोल तौरगदि अमो हेना इलेक्शन से फेयर ओइने खले
मफम मयामदि ngasiगि यामना फेयर ओइ हाइ उजै अदि फजना दुम इंग चिग ताउ भाइतरे अदि हानगी नहानगी दुम मन तुरकते हाइतरे हनकि जाइ सुम उजबदा प्रजा मयाम एम मैक्सिमम बोथ दे इन खले मसाना दुम प्रॉक्सी को के काम तो उदे आइजु उजबदा इवन अखोइ पब्लिक मयाम सिंजे मोइ सिंजे फजना थाथादबगी हराउजबि पोट अम उफंगे हाइतरे.
Repolling was held amid tight security at 5 Haingang Assembly constituency, which is the home constituency of Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren. The 5 polling stations are Haingang A Assembly constituency, 2/23 Haingang Mayai Laikai A, 2/26 Haingang Makai Laikai, 2/31 Kairang Muslim Mayai Laikai, 2/32 Kairang Muslim Amang Laikai and 2/33 Kairang Kunau Chingya Laikai. Polling ended peacefully without any untoward incident. Out of the total 853 voters enlisted at 2/23 Haingang Mayai Laikai A, as many as 509 voters exercised their franchise by 1 p.m., while as many as 611 voters of the total 1,113 voters enlisted at 2/26 Haingang Makai Laikai B exercised their franchise by 1 p.m. Personnel of central and state security forces kept a strict security visual and CCTV monitoring were carried out at the polling stations. Repoll at polling station 7/32 Yambem High School and polling station 7/39 Nungbrang Primary School in Andhra constituency also went smoothly without any unwanted incidents. Video recording and webcasting were carried out properly in both the polling stations. CRPF and state forces personnel maintained strict vigil at these polling stations under the overall security in charge of Imphal West Additional SP Administration T. Shankar Deva. Repolling started around 7:05 a.m. at polling station number 7/39. Nungbrang Primary School enlisted with 832 voters. Sawombung SDC I. Julius acted as presiding officer of 7/39 Nungbrang Primary School, while SDC Haingang El Herojid was designated as presiding officer of polling station 7/32 Yambem High School. MLA of Andhra Assembly constituency cum Forest Minister Thangnaucham Shyamkumar also casted his vote at his home polling station, Yambem High School. Speaking to media, Minister Thangnaucham Shyamkumar asserted that the last inner Manipur parliamentary constituency election held on April 18th went smoothly with majority voter turned out. However, due to complaints by some political parties, the ECI announced for repoll in Andhra Assembly constituency. He said local residents respect the decision of the ECI. Shyamkumar also expressed firm belief that the BJP will win with majority in Andhra constituency, including the 2 polling stations where repolling were held today. Overall voter turnout was last recorded as 87% for polling station 7/39 Nungbrang and 87.5% of polling station 7/32 Yambem High School.
739 andro AC nungbrang 32 yambem si ani sida bosi ajana tifaina su kiuda lepalle sama sagi ayandi ka yaw de botada handre masing kwai dagi yamde pirakane ba simangna andro kendri praja singna election asi kai khumnai habje sabsaba khudam amani adana koi political party ataina andro kendra bu manipur praja myamda lailaisu hitaba kendra mon wena khanbi bu khanbi gano andro kendri praja de samvidhan masak khangba democracy masak khangba tongan ba dharma tongan tam jati ma punchal laga leminaba yaba state pithibida adumba Ningha tam hingjaba lepak amagi tamum taw thodang do andro kendri praja singna lawi have
BJP workers, Maira Paibis and local residents of Yambem allegedly damaged an eco-van of CPI workers around 11 a.m. today. BJP workers also allegedly assaulted driver of the vehicle. Speaking to media, CPI worker El Sunitabla stated that CPI members came to inspect the repolling held at polling station number 7/32, Yambem High School, when the BJP workers started charging on them.
Koi candidacy manung changuraga sakre do aku ju sala sena gari se mamai leba kitang pol moigi polling mafam sibudi lantho ko koilas thaba lambim degi mamai lerga haigalap se ta thatlaga moi myam cha ekta yame mi se aduga thatlaga noise hangada sali ka gina bot ga bala phakari gino bot yam inga singna tawri na haira kan da hekta akoi gi drivers gi so ju loksan bire phuju phubire adagi tongno noi da maina akoi smai tawna som dagi yang bala pone khoi da kamte involve to leite ko ta se moi am da tadre masidi pura akoi gi democracy na tre pura akoi gi gunda raija gi pibam da leire sang kuma na kana kana oi doino moi yam ingna singna pangki hai sabab se boss yam ingna singna thade ai bot ga bala prai aduna BJP ge group na hariba siguma crime se moi cha thai mamang da chang sa tharam ko ni habje koi chapkan thaja patham.
Residents of Kiamgai Mamanglaikai allegedly assaulted CPI Interpol agent Y. Shanta and his driver Kaisham Herojit near polling station 6/6 Kiamgai Girl Lower Primary School in Kaira Assembly constituency today. Their vehicle was also reportedly vandalized. Y. Shanti claimed that the incident occurred around 6:30 this morning. Speaking to media, injured driver Kaisham Herojit stated that around 50 local Maira Paibis and BJP workers of the area prevented their entry at the poll station and smashed the windscreen of their car, which bears registration number MN01 AK3775 with an iron rod, and even assaulted them.
Morangjam Bigananda, Hawam Joykisan, Namarapam Ingobi, Hausi, local MLG PSO and Saliba, hired groups in a Lusingaga, Mi Yankai Humpuma, Aquida, inner agent, Wagana Lakpasita, Aquaje, counter attack, Toroga, Quaja Hatgitukiana, Tashin Tori. 6/6 polling station, you're selecting as Lambido Quisang Bayaruena, counter attack Torpani, Aquida Tasina. Tasina Moina, Torise, Makudanga, 16 mmg, foot Ahumari Sangba, Yote Yamana, Chadakalei. Adegi Hausiki Hariba, CPI, inner agent Wariba, Kiangwi GP Hana, ex Pradan Biramba, Tas Hunter, Yotsina, Marabok the Tilaga, Hausimagi, Marabok, Yamtina Soi, I Isamaksu, Aduna Mogi, Mayamduna, Nung Suksawi, Aigi, Koksida, Tari Nipala, Tomakpani.
On the other hand, Secretary of Khagi Club Kiamgai Mamanglaikai Soram Ranjit claimed that CPI agent Y. Shanta is in fact a Congress worker. He said the local residents prevented him from entering the polling station as he impersonated to be a CPI poll agent. He further claimed that Y. Shanta's vehicle was vandalized by the irate locals when it nearly ran over a passers-by. Ranjit also said the local residents would not have created a ruckus if it was other genuine CPI inner agent.
Moina sa socialist kaino da khoi piso khoi email ki piso da piso na khut thai har problem lai ad matam email sport sid laiti piso masak ma ka email ga apan da sali to pa khoi site hoji but haliba jaga sing da khoi ji sport da ingo bi hamisak laiti ad hoji si koina hoji yamna ingna tamna khoi bosi hamang su khoi bosi kai gre khoi pakhasan na khoi si yam section na khoi club pu yang tai ta lo khoi si bosi han khoi mon han basi pan fidab di khoi yam section to jabani hari bas han ta masam ang la aganda agent famni har la pu matam da la ibn fi nga am saw tension le
ex Pradhan Santaze. Akoi sida lakani ko kani agent oini habdo koi pajama amna koi nupi me amna maji lak payaroi sida jang payaroi moi lakai do ojok jo koi lakai do oi bayaroi na koi na that paneba. Ada that kham na man gai thokjalak paneba moi nim laga. Ada ngai ko na ha kan man gai thokjalak ke yam usite na koi na nung pa thom baneba moida. Kai na moi na koi takke torom ni na usitram ni na koi na action do baneba.
MPCC spokesperson Hareshwar Goswami expressed disappointment that no action has been taken despite raising a complaint to OC of City Police on the same day of the scuffles on Impact News Manung Hodna program of April 18th. Congress party also demanded Chief Minister Biren to step down from his post on moral ground in the wake of conduction of repolling and 5 polling stations in his home constituency, Hengang. Hareshwar also disclosed that a complaint has been filed to the ECI with regards to the act of Chief Minister Biren, which advocated vote trading. Speaking in the press meet, MPCC Secretary Administration Jitin drew the attention of the relevant authorities to probe into alleged misconducts of Minister Shyamkumar and BJP MLAs which violated Representation of People's Act in the recent Outer Manipur parliamentary election.
Report on the Jaga BJP gi Minister Singh MLA Singh Labor Jagangak to Oiba. Mapungoina, Honorable Chief Minister and Labor Mapamada, Labor Jaga, the Magi Kendra, Heidi Batarani, Toisi Manung, the Manga, Paidagi and election repolicy to whatever ni Harpase, Masishu Yang Live Kiva, Togdok Amani, Haidana Tamjaningi, Law and the Order gi. Aikogi matang da su madugi dait loriba home ju pairiba chief minister gi jaga da polling station manga hanba haibasi khwaidagi na laibak thibani asengmakti masamang na yamna khantharagadi masamak moral ground da resign to hum thopani haibasi masu ayak thamjaningi.
And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the 2 prime suspects in the murder of Kunjamayum Arun from Bhamon Kampu Makhalaikai, who were produced in court today. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break and you're watching Primetime English News. Irilbung Police Station today produced the 2 prime suspects in the murder of Kunjamayum Arun from Bhamon Kampu Makhalaikai before the CZM Imphal East Court in Lumphil today. Residents of Bhamon Kampu Makhalaikai stormed the court as the police brought the wife of the deceased, KH Helen, and Pradhan of Bhamon Kampu Gram Panchayat, NG Rabi, to the court at around 3 p.m. Amidst tight security, the 2 suspects were produced before CJM Imphal East Judge N. Lanlaima. In the first trial today, the court ordered to put the 2 prime suspects in 11-day police remand. Irate locals storm at the alleged murderers as they come out of the trial. A police team led by Imphal West Additional SP Operation Aribam Ghanashyam managed to contain the situation. Meanwhile, irate locals also tried to set ablaze the vandalized house of Pradhan Rabi. Police fired tear gas shells to control the mob. An IED was planted at the residence of one Namairakpam Joy Chandra at Haubam Marak from Irom Laikai under Singtamai Police Station in Imphal West. The bomb was placed inside a tiffin box. Family members discovered the IED at around 3:30 a.m. today and immediately informed Singtamai Police. Subsequently, a police team led by Additional SP Operation Imphal West, Aribam Ghanashyam, inspected the site. Later, bomb disposal squad recovered the bomb at 8 a.m. and defused it safely at 10:05 a.m. More Battalion, 43 Assam Rifles and More Police jointly nabbed a drug peddler with 3.5 kg of suspected brown sugar worth about 7 crore rupees. The miscreant identified as 45-year-old Kaikonlan Zhou, son of Kaikol Hao Zhou from Gamnom Veng, Bitna Patri, More. Cabo Valley Women Association, Mairapaibis and vendors of MBC Shopping Complex staged a protest meet at the entrance of Cabo Valley village opposite to MBC Church today. Speaking to media, protesters Pradeep urged the relevant authority to form a policy to reduce road mishap on National Highway in Dimapur Road in the wake of recent road accidents near MBC Church, Chingmairong.
ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯈꯠꯂꯛꯑꯕ ꯅꯣꯡꯃ ꯀꯥꯡꯗꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟ ꯊꯣꯛꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯖꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯃꯤ ꯊꯦꯡꯒꯥꯏꯔꯝꯃꯒ ꯁꯤꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯊꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯤꯗ ꯂꯤꯃꯤꯠ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯗꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯅ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯐꯤꯛ ꯖꯦꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯝꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯐꯤꯛ ꯂꯥꯏꯠꯄꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯝꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯑꯁꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯁꯤꯕ ꯅꯥꯕꯁꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯃꯟꯗꯗꯅ ꯑꯀꯣꯏꯕꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯖꯟꯖꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
A 3-day training on poultry farming organized by College of Agriculture, Central Agriculture University, Iroisemba concluded today. Director of Extension, CAU, Dr. R.K. Shah distributed certificates to the trainees on the occasion. Speaking to media, Principal Investigator and Assistant Professor of College of Agriculture, Dr. M. Norjid asserted that CAU sponsored the training to provide employment and enhance income. He expressed hope that the trained youths will be able to create jobs in near future.
Moy self-dependent oina masana masabu thabak pijaba ngamnabidamagta within these 3 months da koina moy fully moy highly enlightened tawre haibdi koina yen kamaina yokani haibi matam scientifically yokwa maina machinjak pijagani kamaina vaccination pigani narpa matamda kamaina khangani nare haina koina kam hidak pigani hai matam 3 months fully enlightened taw matungda being a job seeker moina job provider oina koigi Manipur gi praja sing da thabak pibagi ngamnabidamagta adugi aim da koina tawjigiba training program amani.
Pangambam Sagai Seva Committee urged people not to believe in misleading news intended to tarnish the image of Govindaji Janmasthan, also known as Kaina Shrine of Imphal East. Speaking to media at Kaina Shrine today, President of the Seva Committee, Pangambam Tomba, stated that even before 7 statues of Govindaji were carved from the jackfruit tree in Kaina, forefathers of Pangambam clan used to worship the tree. He maintained that King Bhaigachandra ordered to carve out 7 statues of Govindaji from the jackfruit tree and thereafter entrusted Pangambam clan to be the caretaker of Govindaji at sacred Kaina site in 1776. The president asserted that his forefather P. Tomba set up a temple of Govindaji at the site of the uprooted jackfruit tree in 1958.
Honorable Chief Minister Shri N. Biren Singh amasung Sham Kumar Minister Anina Tourism Department ki through the Anoba Mandir Lupa Crore Kuntere Tang Changna Sabiduna Sangbat Chagat Piri. Archaeological Monument Eki Manung Chanba Laipamnen Wibana Ariba Potre Lashang Mandir Tugaiba Yadavana Anoba Chaba Mandir Namapanda Laga Ariba Govindagi Sitrabot Lashang Macha Ase Manungda Lehenbi Bani, Govinda Kuramba Lakpada, Kanagumba, Bhakta Banishop Singna, Kangna Natraga Kangdana, Yepiba Amadi Timbiba, Yaubira Basu, Handopio Hajiri.
In continuation to his 3-day visit in Manipur and Nagaland, Director General of Border Security Force, Sri Rajnikant Mishra, IPS addressed a Sainik Sammelan at Sector Headquarters CI Operations, Koirengai and 182 Battalion BSF, Koirengai today. The Director General appreciated the troops for performing their duties in CI role with professionalism. He also advised the troops to know and understand the areas of their respective place of deployment so that they can face any unforeseen situation. The Director General also assured that every possible means to uplift the morale and facilities of the troops will be taken up. He left Imphal in the afternoon for Delhi. Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, DESAM, organized one-day 17th blood donation camp in association with State Blood Cell NHM Manipur at RIMS Blood Bank today. Over 100 volunteers of DESAM donated blood in the camp held in relation to Kongzom Day.
Mars Thadagina, April Powder, Manipur Tongan Tongan Ba, Ching Amasung Tamgi, Mapam Kayakuda Moina, Mayang Kanga Chingba, Keba Chingmana Chingba, Asigumba, Mapam Singasida, Lamdam Sigit Singmi, Missingna, Manipurgi, Ning Tambang, and Nabagita Makta Sona Kiba, Lanfam Singdo, Madudeda, Sarukya Kiba Kugi, Ipai Pussing, Tawaikat Kiba, Ipai Pussing, Madudai, Ikaikum Nabu Utabu in a Haidiba, ESA Koi, Katpane Loina Loina, Ipai Pussing, Aduda Chien Kiba Makogi, Nationalismgi, Wakalon Amadi, sacrificing spirit, Nasisu Masai Koida, Su, Admoxi and the lady Hibasematu. Symbolized on Unanabagi the Makta Hariba mega blood donation chemistry, Pangtok Sabanet.
Chairman of Prescribed Kanglai Kana Yawolup KYKL in a press release extended warm wishes to the people of the state and other prescribed groups on the occasion of its 25th Foundation Day, which falls on April 25th. The prescribed group urged people to start movement for indigenism or indigenes consciousness to preserve the state. Before we conclude the bulletin, let's take a look at headlines once again. Repolling for Inner Manipur 17th Lok Sabha elections at 12 polling station concludes peacefully by and large. Residents of Kiamgai Mamanglaikai allegedly assault CPI inner poll agent, his driver, and damage windshield of their car. MPCC condemns lack of proper action despite filing a complaint to OC of City Police regarding Impact News Manungkhotna scuffle on the same day. And CJM Imphal East Court orders 11-day police remand to prime suspects in murder of Kunjamayum Arun from Bhamun Kampu, Makhalaikai.